Good morning. It's around 6 o'clock, and it is very peaceful. As you can see, it's just so lovely. No, I'm not having pumpkin spice. I'm actually having a coffee called Apple Crisp by Barismo, and you can get it at Aldi. It is delicious. But I just wanted to say to everyone, if you can find some peace for yourself, whether it's in the morning or in the evening. I choose the morning because, that's how I want to start the day. And I just want to be able to gather my thoughts and be thankful, but also prepare for the day. Especially with anything new that's coming up. But also, it's kind of my quiet time to reflect on things, like my mom, and it's really helped me. It's kind of my therapy, because my mom has dementia, and well, you've seen what I wrote, and she's got good days and bad days. So just that it's been a little bit of a journey since we found out this year. So it's just my time to prepare for the day. I hope you all have a really, really fulfilling day, and cherish it, and have some coffee or tea, whatever is your thing.